and welcome back to Royalty Soaps. My name is Katie Carson. I am the Duchess of Suds at this channel, and I've been making soap for 10 years. This month's theme is Sweet Tooth, which means all things delectable, all things sweet, all things sugary, all things delicious. And today's particular soap is one of my favorites, Blue Raspberry Rock Candy. So, I love the look of rock candy. I don't necessarily love to eat it, but I do love the look of it. It's one of my favorites. Seeing it on the little wooden dowel with the little ball at the end, and then all that crystallized candy is just like a childhood memory I cannot get away from. I remember seeing it in Cracker Barrel and other like old-fashioned candy shops, and that's like the only place you can get them. They're so unique. I was like, I have to memorialize this with a soap. We did decide to put a stone on there. We have a blue agate. It's so pretty. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the whole soap making and cutting process. So without further ado, let's make some soap. Okay guys, I hope this all works out the way I have envisioned it. Everything is set up and ready to go. So now I just have to make the soap. I have mixed up the colorant on top of my blue sea salt here. This is from Brambleberry. I have also acquired some beautiful blue agate stones to put on top. Literally, all I have to do now is make the soap. So I'm gonna pour the lye water solution into the oils, and then we are going to blend this up on high until just past emulsion, and the recipe that I'm using today can be found in the description box below. And now I have to pour all of this luscious soap batter into 5 containers evenly, and we'll do that with some movie magic with a snap of the fingers. And there they all are, beautiful, luscious, and ready to be colored. So we're going to do some various shades of blue and also some white. We'll start here with Blue Tide. This is from Mad Micas. Next is a blue neon color. This is Shocker Blue from Mad Micas. Now we're gonna do one white accent. Next we're doing a mix of Tahitian teal and a little bit of Shocker Blue. I'm hoping that'll be kind of a green blue. And then some Shocker Blue again, and I'm going to dilute it with titanium dioxide so that this will be a pastel blue. And this fragrance oil blend is, well, first of all, this is empty. But the fragrance oil blend is a custom blend of 2 different things. So it is 50% blue raspberry slushy and 50% jammin' rock candy. You put those 2 together and you have a really good blue raspberry rock candy smell. Okay, so let's go ahead and blend these up. And we're gonna do an in the pot swirl for this one. So I'm gonna start by pouring in half of this, half of this. You know what? I might as well just pour the whole thing now that I'm thinking about it because, well, I just think that'll look better. And then I'm not scraping out the containers because it's runny enough that I can use them to add a little bit of flair on the top. Okay, I have poured everybody into here, and we're gonna pour it into our large slab mold after this quick commercial break. The color of this slab mold like matches the soap perfectly. So I'm just going to pour all around, up and down, side to side. It's going to be one big blue swirl, up and down, side to side. And now I'm gonna scrape out my big container. Okay, so let's go ahead and put all of the extra soap that I saved in our white buckets on the top here. And it's just gonna be willy-nilly all over the place. There's kind of no rhyme or reason to this. This fragrance is so strong. It's smelling up the whole room. All right, so first order of business, I'm going to texture this top just a little bit. I'm gonna pull to the middle on all the loaves, and then I'm not gonna do anything after that because I do have a stone that has to go on it, so I don't want it to be so textured that it doesn't support the stone very well. So see, I'm still leaving a very nice fat middle spot so that we can plop that little stone right on top. I cannot with this fragrance. It smells so good. All right, and in go the stones. So one of the reasons we ended up putting stones on this is because it's been a while since we've had them, and you guys love stone soaps so much. And I just felt like blue agate would be like the perfect addition since it's like a blue rock soap. Like it's kind of funny. It's perfect. Ooh, look at this one. Ooh, I love it so much. Look at those bands. Eee! Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it on the side and make sure that all of them have been placed correctly because sometimes I get them out of alignment. Awesome. All the rocks are on, so I can remove this funny little grid divider. That was a bad song. Do not repeat. Okay, so now we will put on the sea salt. So Brambleberry had the biggest sea salt size that I personally know of that's like from a regular supplier. Simeon asked me, he was like, do they have the biggest ones? And I was like, I think so. So that's why we bought it from them. Maybe there are some other people that have really, really chunky sizes of sea salt, but this is who I know of, and I can leave links to it down below in case you want to make a rock candy soap or bath salts or something. And because the salts are so big, I am going to sprinkle all of them on, and then I'm going to tap them in with a spoon because I don't feel like they're gripping as good as they could if I help them out a little. Okay, now I'm just going to tap these in with a spoon. Boo, boo, boo. Just like so. Awesome. And now I can put on some hollow glitter and we done. Hollow, hollow, hollow. All right. There we go. It's looking mighty sweet. I love it. Okay, I'll bring you guys in for a close-up so you can see it up close too. Yeah, blue raspberry rock candy looking pretty sweet. So I'm going to let this sit for 18 to 24 hours and then I will bring you guys back. We will take a look at the inside after splitting the slab into loaves and cutting the loaves into bars after this quick commercial break. Wow, now this sucker looks even better the next day. Look at the swirls on the inside. I'm obsessed with that light blue. It makes me want to do like a cotton candy one where there's like a light pink and a light blue and then little cotton candy embeds on top. I think that would be so fun. So I've lined it up here with Evangeline. I'm going to press gently because we do have to go around some of the rocks. A couple of them are oddly shaped. Also, listen to the pretty clitter clatter of all the salts falling off. All right, and let's go ahead and pull out one from the middle, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So super blue, super swirly, and I cannot tell you how good this smells. If you want to try a fun summer fragrance blend, I definitely recommend it. Be sure to tag me in your creation so I can see what you decide to do with my blue rock candy blend. It's so good. Like, it really does smell like the real thing. Caleb was like, that smells good. And he does not like candy or fruity scents most of the time, and he was like, that is legit one of the best blends you've ever done. So feel free to try it out for yourself and see what you think, especially if you're kind of like a blue raspberry person. So tell me, what is your favorite childhood candy from like Cracker Barrel or an old-fashioned candy store. You know, wax lips, the little peely dots, bottle caps. They have the little bottles that are made out of wax and have juice in them. Obviously, they have rock candy. What is your favorite type of candy? And can you get it where you live? Pretty readily available. At the Cracker Barrel near me, they have lots and lots of different old-fashioned candy, including the old-fashioned candy sticks, which are among my favorites. And yeah, awesome, awesome, awesome with the stone on top. Look how pretty. Look how fun. I love it. I'm so pleased. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the making of the blue raspberry soap. I know I enjoyed making it, and I certainly enjoy smelling it. This is in the top 2 fragrances of the month, in my personal, professional, and humble opinion. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like going to Cracker Barrel and get yourself some old-fashioned candy, or maybe making your own at home. I know you can do that. My skills do not allow me to do that, but perhaps yours do. I don't really care what you do, just be sure you do something fun for yourself today. I really mean it. Are you paying attention? Hey, you, knock. Go do something fun for yourself today. And I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye for now. Meow.